start experiment number 14. The name of this experiment is determine the gain and bandwidth of single stage RC coupled amplifier. So student, here is we have to use some instrument or devices, DC regulated power supply, then function generator, transistor, resistor, capacitor and connecting wire. The range of this function generator is 0 to 1 millihertz, transistor range BC 547, resistor 74 kg ohm, then resistance to 15 kg ohm, then 2.2 kg ohm, 4.7 kg ohm, 1 kg ohm and 8.2 kg ohm. This is the range of resistor those you have to use in this experiment. Capacitor as per circuit diagram, connecting wire and so on. So student, this is the actual circuit diagram of this experiment. The name of this experiment is gain and bandwidth. In this experiment we have to calculate the gain and bandwidth by using the RC coupled amplifier. So student, here is we have to use C capacitance, R1, R2, RC, this is the resistance, then this is first resistance, and we have to given the value of this circuit diagram. So this is the circuit diagram. Here is we have to use the capacitor, resistor, then connecting wire. So this is the circuit diagram and this is the power supply, regulated power supply. And student, this is the function generator we have to use in this experiment. So in this experiment, amplifier is an electronic circuit, can be increased the strength, and here we have to show the observation and calculation where to increase the frequency by using the function generator. So as like a 100 hertz, 200 hertz, 300 hertz. So our output is increased 7.09. Suppose we have to increase the 100 hertz frequency, at that time we get the output voltage 7.09. Then our gain is VO upon VI. This is the definition of gain, output voltage to the input voltage. So we get the input voltage 7.09, and lightly this output voltage and gain decreasing from one place to another place when we increase the frequency. So in this experiment, to increase the frequency and decrease the gain and output voltage also, and gain in dB, we have to convert this dB in 20 log 10 into gain, so that is VO upon VI. So our first reading, when we have to increase the frequency in hertz, that is 100, so at that time output voltage is 7.09, then our VI is, we get that is 7.09, and find out the gain VO upon VI. So 7.09 upon 1.09, so we get 7.09. So this is the gain, and this 7.09 we have to convert in log, that is 20 log 10. This is the base and output voltage upon input voltage. So in this way we will increase the frequency by using the function generator. This is the function generator. We have to increase the frequency and to show the output voltage and input voltage in the output voltage in the voltmeter and input voltage in also voltmeter. So in this way, this is the reading. We will take 5 to 10 readings as like a frequency we have to increase. At that time we have to show the output voltage and input voltage and to calculate the gain in this way. So this is the reading. So we have to only explain this experiment, keeping your mind, and find out the graph or calculate the graph between gain along y-axis and frequency along x-axis, and in this way we have to plot the graph. This is the rectangular diagram. So here this is the diagram, and we have to calculate dB as well as gain by using this all reading. So student, we will take 1 to 10 reading of a frequency. When we increase the frequency, at that time we show output voltage and input voltage, by using the voltmeter and then calculate the gain. So in this way. So here in this experiment, frequency increases to increase or to decrease the gain. Keeping your mind, this is our statement. So in this way, we have to complete this experiment by using some instrument, DC power supply, function generator, transistor, resistor and capacitor, and also connecting wire. So this connection of this experiment we have to connect by using the circuit diagram. So this is the actual circuit diagram of this experiment. So stop here. Now I stop here. Thank you very much.